Ashton, tell me when you're ready.
Mine's ready.
Huh?
It's ready. It's going.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to compare the speed of a regular crank system, which we use every day, and the Sharkbite Evopex. So we have their pipe, their fitting, and what we would normally use. The only tip he said was make sure these don't get dirty. So I want to make sure no dirt gets on the O-ring. Is the audio working?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. And to twist it as you push it in. I've never used it, never installed one of these, know nothing about it, other than those things, and it's supposed to be way faster than crimp. So, and it carries a full system warranty. So we're going to try it out, and then they're going to run this house in it today and see if they like it. All right. You ready? Now we ain't racing, so just practicality wise, just see how long it takes.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Ashton, you ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, go. I'll cut it way up here so I don't waste my pipe. Because I'm cheap. Okay. So it's got a little green indicator on there that shows the crimp's done. All right, I'm done. Alright, and that was done. So, ridiculously faster, but the cost of that compared to this, I'm sure is pretty significant. And this, I couldn't really feel it real good, but there's a green indicator. Can you catch that on the camera?
Yeah, it's just not focusing. But they get a general idea.
Yeah, that shows it's done. So, that's it. Now, this is a non-removable fitting, not like other stuff Sharkbite makes. It will not come off. You push it in, it's a done deal. So, much like a crimp. I think you kind of can't screw it up there. Alright, so they're going to run with it today and see if they like it.
Alright, this is part of the Evopex Sharkbite fittings, and this is going to be a drop ear L. And you just push, give it a little twist, and you'll see a green ring pop up, and that's just letting you know that it is a good connection. Alright, so we're going to be installing one of the Evo 3/4 by half tees.